am making a video in response to the African American man who said negative things regarding African American women. There's one guy that was also talking about the music, and he liked the rock music, and stating how he was looked down on within his community or within his circle because of the type of music that drew his attention. I can say for one, my brother also listens to rock music. He wants to be in a rock band, and I've even been to one of the concerts with him when he actually played, and I was very proud of him. I almost cried just watching him follow his dream, and it just made me so happy that he was so happy to have had that opportunity. It's something he's very good at. He also is a very good artist, meaning like with drafting as well. He's very intelligent, I'd say. But whatever you want to listen to, that's your choice. That's what makes you happy. That's your choice. Me, when it comes to music, I really I listen to the majority of music is Christian. So I'm not saying I oppose all other music except Christian, because I've listened to certain music that was not Christian. Like, I prefer to listen to more positive music. A lot of rock music is not something that I see as positive because of it's just that the way they advertise themselves, and meaning not all rock, so I'm just gonna be careful, but like screaming, triple sticks, and that's even in hip hop, and it's a lot of that I don't listen to. Like I said, rock with scream, like a lot of satanic symbols are used within rock and heavy metal. And I've even talked to my brother regarding that, and he sees it too, and he's trying not to, to separate himself from the music that is not profitable to his soul, and that's something that I'm working on as well. But me, like, I also like some classical music, meaning like I've studied ballet for about maybe at least 7 years, maybe. But ballet is actually my favorite dance technique, and I know that's something that's not within the black community. That's not something that is too common. But I love it. I love dancing ballet. I like tap as well. I'm not too fond of jazz or many other dance forms, but mainly like ballet and tap. And ballet is number one for me, and it's been number one for some time now. And what else do I want to talk about? I just want to say there's another guy on here, also a black guy, who's saying black women are a joke, and how we know we're a joke or whatever like that. And what can I say about the guy? I'm not trying to judge him or anything, but some people may feel the same thing about you as well. And you have a right to your opinion as well. Like I said, he was talking about black women with the fake hair, fake eyes. I'm not sure what else he said, but my hair is real. My eye color is real. When it comes to my hair, I don't have a relaxer. I roasted it, and it's flat iron right now. And when it sounded like, and also the guy basically who was saying how black women are a joke. Maybe from his experience, he haven't had too many good experiences with black women, but me, I haven't had too many good experiences with black men, but therefore I haven't dated many because once I see that there's no substance, I normally don't go further. So I've like I said in my previous videos, I've dated more foreign guys. But everyone is entitled to their own opinion, so I respect that, and it's good actually hearing this perspective from an African American man, where it's negative or positive. It's something that we can all learn from and see that, because it indicates the problems within our community. As they're advertising themselves on YouTube, you can see there's problems, flaws, even, you know, within their character. So that's a part of fixing it. Maybe they can look at their videos and say, okay, you know, maybe I need to fix myself so I can come on YouTube and represent myself as I should when I'm advertising to the world. So when I look back years later, I can say, okay, I'm glad the way I kept myself in a way that was not unprofessional or just undesirable. And like I say, yes, it is arguable, but me, like, I'm happy with the videos that I placed on YouTube because I feel like they come from my heart, and I'm trying not to judge anyone, but I'm just trying to say, you know, don't judge unless you be judged. Take care, and God bless. Again, Jesus is the answer. Bye.